I'm doing, but I'm gonna like show you how to delid i7-3770K. So like this is a voiceover. Alright. So alright, you see here? I'm recording this on my phone, so the quality is gonna be terrible, and I do not what I'm doing in this YouTube video. Okay, basically, back to the point. What I pointed to those gold contacts were the voltage directors on the CPU. Yeah, so basically all you need for devices, what I'm doing right now is I'm putting masking tape on my vise because the type of vise I have doesn't actually have cushioning. Like it's just a straight metal vise. So just put like one layer of masking tape, you should be fine. The voltage meter that I showed earlier, I'm showing it back again. What you want to do with that is face it away from where you're hitting. That's so that if you do damage the PCB of the processor, it doesn't like hit the voltage meter, and that's like important because it directs voltages to the CPU. So right now I'm gonna get a piece of wood. There's tools for this if you're worried about it. Get the tool, they're like 20 bucks. I didn't want to get the tool. Here I switched to a smaller piece of 2x4, and now what you want to do is just gently whack it, and you're gonna hear the audio because I didn't cut out the audio for this part, so it's probably like louder than my voice. And I have my voice playing. Yeah, you hear that? See, it flew off. Now I chipped a little bit of the PCB, which I found out later, but that's okay because it didn't hit any of the contact pins and it was only the front. Yeah, you're gonna hear my voice, but that's okay. Yeah, so basically that's how you deal with a CPU. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this in like one take, so if I mess up, I don't care. This is my first YouTube video. Alright, so what you're gonna need is some sort of like thermal interface remover. So right now I'm using stuff from Arctic. I'll link it in the description. I forgot what it was. Anyways, I'm removing all the thermal crap that Intel uses on their stock CPUs. Well, I mean, not their stock CPUs. You know what I mean? Their stock TIM. It's terrible. It's like toothpaste. You're gonna need a spudger, and you're gonna need, as I said, the remover. You can use rubbing alcohol, it's fine. So basically I'm cleaning up the die and I'm removing all the silicone, including the IHS. So I'm basically just gonna clean that up. So again, I'm recording this on my Oneplus 6. The quality of the video was pretty bad. I'm using a crappy tripod from Amazon, so it's not like coming out that good, and I basically sound dead because I'm sick. I'm not slow, I promise. It's because I can hear my voice through my headset, so like I'm thinking as I'm recording this. It's not that good. Anyways, basically I removed all the silicone that's holding it that holds the IHS down into the silicone. That holds the IHS to the like die, the PCB part of the CPU. You can glue it back together with RTV silicone, but I mean, not many people do that because the retention arm has enough pressure on it to like spread out the liquid metal. Yeah, anyways, you just want to keep cleaning up with the spudger, and my phone leaned in. I didn't realize, so yeah. I basically cleaned it up nice and clean. You're also gonna need nail polish. So I put a lot of nail polish so that it doesn't touch the voltage meters that I mentioned earlier before it shorts out something. So I just covered around the die in nail polish, which I think is in this part of the video. I don't know, I'm editing, recording, and doing all this in one night, so I don't know how good this is gonna go. Yeah, so I got clear nail polish. You can get any other type of nail polish, but alright, I'm gonna keep in this part of the video. I'm not gonna speed it up. I'm gonna show you raw footage because one, it explains that anybody can mess up doing liquid metal, and this is my first time doing a liquid metal Delid. As you can see, I put the nail polish all over. So I fucked up on this. So when using thermal grizzlies, what is it? Is it conductanon or cryonon? I can't remember. Anyways, damn, you can't even see it that good, and it's upside down. Whatever. Back to the point. When you're using liquid metal for a Delid, a little bit is a lot, technically. As you can see, so basically when you get it, you get a whole bunch of like air in the actual syringe, and I pushed really hard on the syringe. I spilled a lot of liquid metal, but I basically sucked that back up in the syringe. Anyways, I'm taking the black Q-tip that was included. I'm basically just playing with the liquid metal, and I'm pretty sure it's a gallium and some other type of mixture. So you basically play with it and you rub it around. So as you can see, I'm basically coating the dye right now. I'm trying to get everywhere. I think later on I did add a little bit more liquid metal because I didn't add enough. And it's not like with thermal paste where you want to add like a whole bunch and it wouldn't really affect. But this, you want to get like a precise amount. You just want to cover the dye, a little bit of the IHS, and you're chilling. Temperatures dropped like 10C, but I'll do a video if you want to see that later. Alright, I'm gonna just leave my channel like image here. This is not my computer. I found it on Adobe stock. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, I guess. I have actual videos. I have a Xeon X3440 build that I have coming up. It's a budget build. Basically, I just want to do budget focused like builds and all that. I really don't know where I want to carry this YouTube channel, but I guess subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know if you want to see the temperatures and all that stuff. Yeah, okay, bye. I'm gonna go render this video, so hopefully my Ryzen 7 1800 doesn't blow up, so yeah. Okay, bye.